Max, I dare you to chug that whole entire cup.
Whole entire cup?
Whole entire. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Come on, come on.
Ow. Ow.
Did it hurt that bad?
Does it? I do the rest.
Here, have some Ensure.
Oh, man.
Have some Ensure.
Oh, dang. That hurts my stomach.
Oh.
Bro, that was horrible.
Now, do you want me to do the same thing?
Yeah, come on.
Oh gosh. Okay, hold on.
Ah, bro, that really got my jaw.
It's like the most sour crap you could ever drink in your life. Real lemon, 100% lemon juice. Dang.
Don't go all the way up to the top.
Oh yeah. That's how much you drink.
Look at that lemon juice.
Dude, I'm so scared.
Let's do it.
Did it hurt that bad?
Not that bad, but it got to me.
Bye.
Chug a bit. Ah, this is just hurting my jaw.
Ah! Oh!
He burped. Drink that Ensure.
Never again.